How to fix BitLocker problems after installing KB5083769 or KB5082052 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the problems. Click on search, type gpedit.msc, click on the result under best match. On the local group policy editor, go to computer configuration, then expand administrative templates, double click on this folder, then expand Windows components, look for the option BitLocker drive encryption and expand it, then select operating system drives. Go to the right pane where policies are given. Find the policy Configure TPM platform validation profile for native UEFI firmware configurations. Right click on this policy and select Edit. Make sure that Not Configured is selected for this policy. If it is enabled or disabled, change it to Not Configured and click on Apply. Click on OK. Then close the window, close the group policy editor and open the command prompt. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes on the USA pop-up, type gpupdate space /force. gpupdate space /force. Press enter. This will update the group policies. Once the policies are updated, suspend the BitLocker using command. Once the group policies are updated, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run both the commands one by one. Copy the first command. This will disable BitLocker. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Then to resume the BitLocker, copy the second command. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, the problem should be fixed. These are the workarounds for the BitLocker problems from Microsoft. A permanent resolution for this issue is planned in a future Windows update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.